If you're broke but still want to start a business, this video might change your life, because in 2025, having no money is no longer an excuse. I get it. You want freedom. You want to be your own boss. But your bank account says $0. And everyone around you says, you need money to make money. But what if that's a lie? What if the people who start with nothing actually have an advantage? Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how to build a real business from scratch without spending a single dollar upfront. Starting a business with no money doesn't mean zero effort. It means using what you already have, your time, your phone, your skills, and turning that into income. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Step 1. Find a skill you can sell. Even if you think you have none, everyone has something they're good at. Can you speak clearly? Congrats, you can do voiceovers. Do you scroll Instagram for 3 hours a day? Great, you can manage someone else's social media. Here's the trick. Instead of trying to start a company, start solving one tiny problem for someone else and charge for it. That's business. Value first, payment second. Still confused? Think of it like this. Someone pays a kid $5 to wash their bike. That's a business. You're just doing it digitally. Step 2. Don't build a product, sell a service first. Making a product costs money, but services, you only need yourself. Offer to design logos, write content, edit videos, build websites, run ads. You don't even need to be a pro, just one step ahead of your client. In 2025, you can learn a skill on YouTube for free, message 20 people a day offering help, land your first client without spending a penny. It's not magic. It's volume and value. Step 3. Leverage free platforms to get clients. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need ads. You need eyeballs. And platforms already have them. Use Instagram DMs, LinkedIn posts, Twitter replies, Facebook groups, Fiverr, Upwork, Contra. Find people with problems. Offer to solve them. Repeat. Simple message. Hey, I saw your site, and I think I can help with this problem. Would you like me to show you how? That's it. No need to beg. No need to lie. Just offer value. Step 4. Use other people's tools until you make profit. Don't buy software. Borrow it. Canva, Notion, Google Docs, ChatGPT, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve. Most tools are free or freemium. Use what's free until it pays you. This is like learning to cook with just 3 ingredients. It won't look like a restaurant at first, but it'll feed you. Step 5. Reinvent your personal brand, even with 0 followers. In 2025, your personal brand is your storefront. Even if you have 0 followers, post about what you're learning, projects you're working on, results you're getting for others, mistakes you made and fixed. People follow people who document, not those who brag. Your first few posts might flop. Doesn't matter. You're building digital proof. And that proof brings clients. Step 6. Turn 1 client into 5. No ads needed. You don't grow by chasing strangers. You grow by delivering crazy value to your first client. Help them win. They'll tell others. Or you'll use their testimonial. Ask, hey, do you know anyone else who might need this? That one line can double your income. Let's pause. You don't need money. You need a skill, a phone, a service, and a little bit of courage to talk to real people. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's how real entrepreneurs have always started, solving problems with what they have. If you want to win, you can't act like a victim. No one's coming to save you. But you have everything you need to start. Every big entrepreneur, they were once broke too. Difference is they started anyway. So, here's your challenge. Pick one skill today. Find one person to help tomorrow. Repeat it for 30 days. You don't need investors. You don't need luck. You need consistency. Comment, I'm starting now if you're serious. And if you know someone who says, I can't because I'm broke, send them this video. Let's build something from nothing together. Start now, not later.